Okay, hi, and welcome to Air Engine Research. I have a question of how I made my valves so that they don't leak. And this is a diagram of the actual valve. The air, well, first off, this is a rubber faucet washer that I purchased, and I turned it down to look like this, to fit in this area and this area. So when the air comes in, you push on this, which opens this valve like so. The air comes around the head of the valve stem, comes through these areas into here, goes into here, down in through here, and into the cylinder. These areas are blocked off so that they don't leak. And the air in this here at say 130 psi is pushing on the head of this stem. Okay, when the camshaft comes around and pushes on this, it opens it. As it goes around, it closes it, which operates the thing back and forth in this direction. When the cam and the timing is set so that the piston is up, it shuts, like so. And then at the top, it's ready to come back down. The cam pushes here, which opens this, which allows the air to come back through, come around the head, through these openings, come out, and then come out through this area here, which is the exhaust port. So this does not totally block that off, so the air can come out no problem. And the secret to my thing is these two O-rings. The air in this one, you can't push it down because the air is escaping through here. But on this one, when you push the valve open, the air comes in and it pushes on this area of the stem, which pushes it shut. So you've got 130 psi pushing on these O-rings this direction, which holds that down, but it can't go. So all it can do is seal tighter to the rubber seal. And that's how it seals. This is not a perfect thing. I mean, I had some trouble making the threaded stems here and getting a perfect hole in here so that it's perfectly straight through. But I got it close enough so that it seals. And then when this is back down in this position, this one is sealed off. So the air can't get out until you push it in and let it come out through the opening. I hope that explains my valve and how I eventually made it so that it doesn't leak. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and you'll be notified the next time I put out a video. And once again, for you long-term subscribers, thank you for checking in, and I hope this explained or answered your question. See you next time.